In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of Warhammer 40K's Ultimate Starting Set. Let's get to it.
Right off the bat, we have a bunch of units, a bit overwhelming, but pick at it at your own pace. The units you get for the Space Marines are 5 Terminator, 5 Infernus Marines, a Captain in Terminator armor, a Librarian in Terminator armor. For the Tyranids, you get 20 Termagants, a Tyranid Prime, Psychophage, 3 Von Ryan Leapers, 2 Ripper Swarms, 3 Barbgons. I first want to show off the tabletop board, as that was somewhat as the main highlight for me that I found in the box. Both sides are playable. One side is industrial setting, and the other is a field of dirt. With this set, you also receive a building set, which is kind of nice in my opinion, so it's another good option to go with this set. You get the core rulebook and a build guide booklet and some play markers as well. Overall, the Warhammer 40K Ultimate Starter Box is a fantastic way to start your journey in the Warhammer universe. Its price when I picked it up was $250 Canadian plus tax. This is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this box.